What's up guys and welcome to the brand new video, and today we want to discuss about the calculation and variables in the Python programming language. Before we start this, we want to know about the operations of some symbols. So let's get started. Plus for addition, we are putting minus for subtraction and star symbol for multiplication and slash for division. The forward slash is used for division because it's similar to the division line that you would use when writing a fraction. For example, if you had 100 pirates and 20 large barrels and you wanted to calculate how many pirates you could hide in each barrel, you could divide 100 pirates by 20 barrels by entering 100 by 20 in the Python shell. Just remember that the forward slash is the one whose top falls to the right. And let's get into the BODMAS. In this BODMAS, we have BODMAS. B for brackets. When we have the brackets in our equation, we must want to begin with the brackets. And O for off. Off is literally like multiplication, but we want to put as OF. D for division. M for multiplication. A for addition. S for subtraction. This is so easy. And let's look at one equation. Okay, let's start with 8 into, we want to put the print statement first, and commands A and C. Let's go. Start the work. 8 into 3.57 maybe. And let's run this. And we can get 28.56. This is the correct answer for this. This is the simple calculation. And let's go to the next one. Print 10 into 20 and run it. Yeah, we are getting the 200. This is the correct answer. And let's look at another example. Print 10 into 365, right? 10 into 365, and we can get the answer 3650. And now in here we are adding print, and we are adding 20 plus 3650, and let's run it. Yeah, we are getting the 3670. And let's go to another example. 3 multiplied with 52 is maybe 156. Yes, it's a correct answer. And we want to print again like 3670 minus 156, and we can get the subtract remaining points, 3514. So this is the simple thing. And let's go more further and go with 5 plus, at the print, 5 plus 30 into 20. Now we want to do the multiplication first because the multiply symbol is ahead in the BODMAS. That's why we want to do the multiplication first in this equation. And let's run it. 30 into 20 is 600, and 600 plus 5 605. This is the correct answer. And again we want to do something like print. We are introducing the brackets. Bracket is a beginning point of arrangement of equations. So we are putting another bracket. 5 plus 30. Get out from the bracket and multiply with 20. And 30 plus 5 and 35, and 35 into 20 is 700. That's going to be an answer. That's it. And let's go another thing. When we are doing this equation, first we want to do the brackets because B on the top of the BODMAS word. Consider the big bracket first. And computer will first do the small brackets in the big brackets. After we got 35 by adding 5 plus 30, we want to multiply with 20, then divide by 10. The answer given by computer is 700. This is so easy, right? And warning, that remember that multiplication and division always go before addition and subtraction unless parentheses are used to control the order of operation. This is the warning thing. Every book have this line, right? That's why I took for you. And let's go to another topic, that is variable or likes labels. Let's get into it. Okay, let's start with Fred is equal to 100. Now the Fred is the label and 100 is the variable. Now this label is equal to this variable. Fred is equal to 100, and let's print the Fred. And we can get 100. Yes, this is the answer. And let's go another thing, like Peter is equal to 200, and print Peter and run it, and we are getting the 200. This is the correct answer, right? And let's go more further. Fred is equal to 200 and John is equal to Fred. So Fred is equal to 200 and John is equal to Fred. So therefore John must want to equal to 200, right? Because Fred is equal to 200 and John must want to equal to 200 because John is equal to Fred. Now I want to print the John. And let's run this folder. And we are getting 200. This is the correct answer, right? Okay. And I want to do some code that are in the multiple line to get one answer. And I want to turn this number into variables, right? And let's get started. Print 20 plus 10 into 365, right? And we can get 3670. After this, I want to print 3 into 52. Not plus, into 52. And we can get 156. And now I want to do is, I want to subtract the 3 into 52 from the above print statement. Like this. Print 3670 minus 156 and we can get the answer 3514. And we want to write this code in the single line by re-enter this code. Like, let's go. 20 plus 10, what? 20 plus 10 into 365 minus 3 into 52. And now we can run this answer. Yes, okay. And we want to put the print first. And 20 plus 10 into 365 minus 3 into 52. It's so simple. And let's run it. And we can get 3514, same answer in the single line code. Okay, let's do more further again. And I'm going to put found coins is equal to 20 and magic coins is equal to 10 and stolen coins may be equals to 3. Now we can re-enter this equation like this. print found coins plus magic coins into 365 minus stolen coins into 52. This is the same answer. We're going to get it, but we are getting 239 because of some error. So in here we want to do the multiplication. I did wrong. Okay, and now we can get 3514. Yeah, this is the correct answer. So fun. And in this chapter, you learn how to do simple equation using Python operators and how to use parentheses to control the orders of operations. Then we created variables to label values and use those variables. So this video is so helpful to you. I'm hoping to be helpful to you. And thank you for watching this video, and catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye.